Now this is your living area and your dining area, and the kitchen comes with two opposite placed granite slabs. Talking about luxury, this bedroom also has. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers, तो जब आप करते हैं एक enquiry, आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers. At Housey हम आपका contact करवाते हैं सीधे developer के साथ, जिसकी वजह से आपको unwanted calls नहीं आते हैं. आज एट हाउसी मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत सैंपल फ्लैट का वीडियो, जो कि है बाय ट्यूलिप ग्रुप एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज अवाना. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे है प्रोजेक्ट का 3D मॉडल, जिसमें कि आप अमेनिटीज देख सकते हैं लाइक द इंफिनिटी स्विमिंग पूल ऑल्सो एंड द गार्डन एंड दीज 2 ब्यूटिफुल टावर्स. इन टावर्स के अंदर का घर कैसा होगा ये तो हम देखने ही वाले हैं, लेकिन एक बहुत अमेजिंग चीज है इनके सेल्स ऑफिस में, और वो है मेरे एग्जैक्टली पीछे. आइए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. यहाँ पर इन लोगों ने किया हुआ है एक पूरा का पूरा डिस्प्ले कि आपके फ्लैट के अंदर जो अमेनिटीज लगने वाले हैं या जो फिक्सचर्स होने वाले हैं वो कैसे हैं. Right, starting from the tiles and also the wooden finished ceramic tiles that they have inside, the switches, the digital door locks, the kitchen fittings, the CP sanitary fittings right over here, and also the taps that they have used in different bedrooms, the matte finish, the chrome finish, and also the gold finish one, which is right over here. फिटिंग्स तो हमने देख ली, लेकिन ये फिटिंग्स लग कहाँ रही हैं? ये फिटिंग्स लग रही हैं आपके फ्लैट में. और चलिए हम देखते हैं द 1487 स्क्वायर फीट 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट. यहाँ पर हम हैं आपके घर के अंदर. Now the doors have rubber strips right over here to maintain the longevity of the doors. If you also notice, the width of the door is pretty bigger as compared to the regular ones. अब इसके बारे में तो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बाहर बता ही दिया है, क्योंकि बाहर सेल्स ऑफिस में डिजिटल डोर लॉक्स ऑलरेडी लगे हुए हैं टू टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फिटिंग्स दे आर यूजिंग. एंटर द हाउस एंड ओवर हियर सीधे एंट्रेंस पे आपको लिविंग रूम डाइनिंग रूम नहीं दिखेगा. सीधे एंट्रेंस पे आपको दिखेगी ये वॉल, जिसकी वजह से आपकी घर की प्राइवेसी मेंटेन होती है. यहाँ हम घर के अंदर आते हैं. दिस इज योर लिविंग एरिया एंड द डाइनिंग एरिया. Now this one being a butterfly concept home, one bedroom is on one side and the other bedrooms are on the other side. Let's go and check out the guest bedroom first of all. ये है आपका गेस्ट या पेरेंट्स रूम as you can call it. यहाँ पर they have also provided a washroom, an attached washroom to it. CP sanitary fittings के बारे में तो आप already sales office में देख ही चुके हैं. Now, one more very cute thing that I liked about the house is this almost balcony kind of a window. Now, it is really tall and it opens up to a sliding door, and it also has a mosquito net attached to it right over here, because of which there is good lighting in the house, and because this is the parents' room, it needs to be very well ventilated and very well lit as well. आइए proceed करते हैं towards the living room and the dining area. Now, this is your living area and your dining area. Let's first of all go and check out the balcony. Now, the balcony comes with those tiles जो हमने देखे थे in the sales office, and it is also covered from 3 sides. On the ceiling, if you can notice, they have provided a wooden finished ceiling, and there is also a iron railing right over there for your protection. यहाँ से हम डाइनिंग एरिया से एंटर करते हैं आपके किचन में. नाउ अगेन देयर इज अ वेरी बिग स्पेस ओवर हियर दैट कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड, बिकॉज देयर इज ऑल्सो दिस कॉलम ओवर हियर व्हिच कैन बी यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर योर पूजा घर, एंड द किचन बिकम्स वेरी एक्सेसिबल बिकॉज ऑफ द विड्थ. And the kitchen comes with 2 opposite placed granite slabs. One that comes with your kitchen chimney, जो कि हमने फिर से बाहर देखी थी, your kitchen sink, and this small service table and an extra space and provision over here for your electrical gadgets like your fridges and your ovens. This is your dry utility area that comes covered from 3 sides, and there is one small opening to it that appears almost like a window, but it is pretty spacious. There are anti-skid tiles on the floor and on the wall as well. अगर आप already impressed हैं तो wait, because we have a lot more to check in this house. Over here, right next to your dining area, this space has been utilized for your wash basin. And if you also notice, all the CP sanitary fitting is by Kohler right over here. And this is your common toilet and wash area that comes with anti-skid tiles on the floor and similar matching vitrified tiles on the wall and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Right opposite it over here is this space. Now I'm calling it a space because you can either use it as a bedroom, or you can use it as a study room or as a lounge area. Now there's also one standing balcony over here. This is connected to your balcony which was in the living room, and it is a standing balcony, comes with a very big window right over here which can be opened sliding, and it also has an iron railing right over there. Now, just like I told you, if you are already impressed, you have to stay tuned. Then there is more that is going to impress you. And what is it? Let me tell you now. It is Housey, the place where you can see sample flat videos, 360-degree tours, pros and cons videos, and also actual location tours. Now, once you have seen all of this about a project, I'm sure you need to know कि भैया pricing कितना है. उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. आपको बस नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर करना है क्लिक, एंड उससे आप डाउनलोड करते हैं ई-ब्रोशर, जिसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा ऑल इंक्लूसिव प्राइसिंग, EMI डिटेल्स, डाउन पेमेंट डिटेल्स, पोजेशन डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड टू नो. नाउ आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू नो कि अब हम इस प्रोजेक्ट को विजिट कैसे करें. उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है. 3 clicks on the same link and you can book your project site visit with your dedicated relationship manager. Now comes the final question. Brokerage कितना देना पड़ेगा? 0. Housey is absolutely brokerage free. And इतनी सब बात करते करते मैं तो भूल ही गई. 2 bedrooms और बाकी हैं. Let's go and check them out. First, let's go to the kids' bedroom. I really like this one more than the master bedroom personally. Of course, it has an attached toilet and wash to it right over here. And we already saw the tiles that we saw outside. And these are anti-skid tiles. The walls have vitrified tiles. On the top, they have provided good provision for your water heaters. And now comes the thing that I really loved about this bedroom. And that is this diagonal window, which is right over here. So it starts from this end and it goes right up to this end over here. Half of it is fixed, as you can see over here, and half of it is sliding. But despite that, because of the length of it, it provides such an amazing vibe to the room, and also the ventilation, the lighting, everything, it becomes even more beautiful. And now it's time to check out the master bedroom. Once we are entering the master bedroom, I don't want you to miss out on the flooring. The flooring changes for the master bedroom over here. It becomes wooden flooring. All the doors in the house have these rubber strips. And this is your master bedroom. First of all, let's quickly check out the attached toilet and wash. Now, if you notice, every bathroom, the tiles change, the CP sanitary fittings change, the color theme changes, which is very creative and I must say very luxurious as well, right? Talking about luxury, this bedroom also has a balcony and a diagonally placed window right over here for cross ventilation and cross lighting. Now here is your balcony to the master bedroom. Now, this one also comes with anti-skid tiles, and on the ceiling they have provided a wooden finish, and it comes with this toughened glass railing, toughened iron railing, and it is covered from 3 sides. All of this and this big an apartment you saw on Housey.com. What are you waiting for? Very quickly register yourself on Housey ताकि आप आके यहाँ पे ये फ्लैट देख सके हमारे साथ. Do that quickly and stay tuned for more. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Infinity Avana, located in Punavle, Pune by Tulip Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.